Hey, Brian from Garageville Hall. Today I have a noisy pack of Huayan soy sauce, and this is perhaps my most favorite soy sauce. I've traveled all over the United States on business and pleasure travel, and for some reason I always found myself packing soy sauce with me because I never liked some of the local soy sauce that you get in the different Asian cuisine shops. So, to give you an idea, this is 200 packets. So if you weren't sure exactly how much 200 packets looks like, this will get you quite a bit of soy sauce. And like I said, as weird as it is, I usually take like a handful and I put them into a Ziploc bag, and actually I travel with these because I love this soy sauce so much. I know it's kind of crazy. My wife calls me, just like soy sauce crazed, but I love this stuff. Like if you're gonna eat Asian cuisine, I think this is the best thing, especially to put onto your rice, to kind of like flavor some meat up, some chicken. Like I use it like absolutely on everything. But if I have a rice dish with dinner, this is my absolute preferred soy sauce. And again, this is what 200 packs of this stuff looks like. Just to give you an idea, that should be plenty for a while. But anyway, Brian from Garageville Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Enjoy your soy sauce.